Cbse Class 3 Science. Parts of plants. Importance of plants. Plants are one of the most essential living organisms on Earth. They are immensely beneficial to both animals and human beings. 1. They produce oxygen, which is crucial for the survival of living organisms. 2. Trees provide shelter to animals and are also known for their medicinal benefits. 3. Overall, different parts of plants have different roles to perform. For they act as a source of food and oxygen and maintain the ecological balance. Different parts of plants and their role. The part of the plant which grows below the soil is called the root, and the part which grows above the soil is called shoot. The shoot has stems, branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. 1. Each part of the plant plays an important role in helping the plant to live and grow. 2. Let us discuss the various parts of plant and functions they perform. Parts of plants. Roots of a plant. Root are important underground part of all plants. Different types of roots. All plants do not have the same type of roots. There are 2 types of roots found in plants: taproots and fibrous roots. Taproot. In the taproot, there is a main thick root attached to the stem. Several thinner roots or branches grow out from the main root. These branches have whitish, thin hair-like structures coming out from them. These are called root hairs. Plants like carrot, beans, beetroot and mustard have taproots. Fibrous root. They are in the form of a bunch of thread-like structures of similar size coming out from the end of the stem. There is no main root. Grass, wheat, rice and onion have fibrous roots. Functions of the root. 1. Roots fix a plant firmly in the soil. 2. Roots absorb water and mineral from the soil and send them up to the plants. 3. In some plants such as carrot, radish and beetroot, the food prepared by the plant stored in the root. We eat these roots. Stem. The stem forms a central part of the plant. It supports the plant above the ground. Branches, leaves, buds, fruits and flowers grow on it. The stem of a big tree is called the trunk. It is usually covered with thick bark. The stem of the bamboo is smooth, while the stem of the mango tree is rough. The stem of the rose plant has thorns on it. In some plants, stems are covered with small hair. The stem of a rose plant has thorns on it. Stems may be with branches or without branches. For example, banyan tree have branches but coconut tree have no branches.
Different type of stem. Big tree like mango and banyan tree have a thick and hard trunk. Rose and bougainvillea are shrubs with several stems growing near the ground. They have thin and woody stems. Mint and coriander are herbs with green and soft stems. Money plant and grapevine are climbers with weak stem that needs some support to grow upright. Pumpkin and watermelon are creepers that have weak and soft stems. These plants creep along the ground as they grow. Functions of the stem. 1. The stem gives support to the plant above the ground. 2. The stem bears the leaves so that they get sunlight to make food. It also bears flowers and fruits. 3. Water and mineral are taken in by the root of the plant travel to the leaves through the stem. 4. The food made by the leaves travel through the stem to all the parts. 5. Sometimes, food made by the leaves is stored in the, as in the sugarcane, potato, and onion grow under the ground but are not roots. They are actually underground stems which store food in them. Leaves. Just like the stem, leaves are also important parts of plants. They are generally green and of different shapes and sizes. Let us take a look at some leaves. Banana plant have big smooth leaves and tulsi plant have small leaves. Peepal trees have heart-shaped leaves, lotus plant have round ones. Some leaves have a special smell. Example: mint, coriander, tulsi. Some leaves have toothed edges, example: rose and hibiscus. The flat part of a leaf is called the leaf blade. The main veins and the side veins can be seen on the leaf blade. Water and minerals are carried through these veins. The leaf blade has tiny holes on the underside, called stomata. The leaf takes in air through the stomata. It also gives out excess water through stomata. Here are some important functions of leaves. Green leaves make food for the plants, so they are also called the kitchen or the food factory of plant. Non-green plants like mushrooms cannot make their own food. Leaves give out oxygen during the process of making food. It cleans the air. Leaves are some plant store food. Cabbage, spinach, and mint are some leafy vegetable we eat. Flower. As the plant grows, buds begin to appear on some plants. They soon grow into flowers. Flower are the most attractive parts of plant and make a plant look beautiful. 1. There are flowers of many colors, shapes, and sizes. Many flower like roses, give out a sweet smell. 2. Some flowers grow into fruits. 3. Some flowers store food. Broccoli and cauliflower are some flowers we eat. Fruits. The fruit is formed from the flower. These are seeds inside the fruits. Fruits protect the seeds. One fruits may have different number of seeds in them. Mango and plum have a single seed. 2. Orange, apples, and pear have a few seeds, whereas papaya has many seeds inside it. 3. The strawberry has seeds outside the fruit. Seeds. The seeds that we can eat are called the edible seeds. We eat rice grains and rajma, kidney beans. 1. The seeds that we do not eat are called non-edible seeds. We do not eat the seeds of an apple or lemon. 2. Now we understand that a plant has many different parts and each part performs an important function to help the plants remain alive and grow. Some seed give rise to a new plant. This is called germination. Germination. When a seed is buried in the soil and given the proper amount of water, air, and sunlight, it grows into a new plant. Thank you. Please subscribe and like.